3 days, 3 weeks, and 3 months. Have you ever encountered an abandoned house and wonder why it was abandoned? Well, three weeks ago, when I was playing hide and seek with my friend, I saw an abandoned house that looks like it was untouched for years. I was so curious, so I searched it up. It did not take that long for, for me to find out why it was abandoned. It is said that 13 years ago, there was a couple who once lived in this house. The couple's full names are unknown, but they said it was Tiffany and Noah. One day, Noah decided to buy a strange item to decorate the house. 3 months later, both of them got very sick ever since Noah bought that strange item. But 3 days later, Noah died due to an unknown incident. Tiffany was devastated, so she threw away the strange object because she thought it was the reason why Noah died. 3 weeks later, Tiffany passed away after she threw away the strange item. Three years later, an old couple decided to move into this house. And then 3 months later, they sadly passed away too. Rumors say that the house has been cursed by the strange object. The end.